sure you hit that subscribe button.
Hello, my little freaks. It's Mrs. Glass. You already know. How are my little freaks doing? If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video. This is the little freak world where we love fashion, food, and fun. Today, I'm actually bringing you a different type of video. I've been going back and forth if I want to dye my hair. I know that I've been going on a journey of getting my curls back and stuff, but now I'm having an urge to dye it. So I got a wig. So I know how to do nails, I know how to do makeup, but let's learn how to install this. This is actually from a company called Black Swan. It says black is powerful, not only noble. So I think this is catering more to African American, but today a Puerto Riqueña is gonna try this on. This is actually a glueless lace front wig. So you don't need glue, you don't need all of that other stuff. I guess it's safe to say this is for rookies like myself. I'm not gonna really plait down my hair or braid it down. I'm just gonna pull it back so we can attempt to put this on. This does come with the wig. It also came with 2 wig caps, and it also came with this little band for your little baby hairs to hold them down, and stickers. So let's see if this is gonna give what it's supposed to give, shall we? Okay. Ariel who? All right, so as you can see, this is still a little lace front, but it is, like I said, glueless. So, you know, you would just melt it like normal. I don't have experience on that. But can we talk about this color? I think I love it. Okay, so I put it on the side because I do style my hair to the side. And then it did say that you can put heat on this. This is how it looks. Again, this is the lace front that I still have to cut, but I want to try to... The girlies call this part melting. I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna cut this off screen, BRB. Like, I'm not mad at it. I just need more practice. Okay. All right, y'all. This is what I got. I did the lace front. I know that I can apply more makeup on it, but I just want y'all to see this is glueless, see? And it's pretty tight on my head, so I'm really surprised. I think I just have to practice more. And then I have to learn to style it. And it did say that you can actually put heat onto this. But what do you guys think? Do I look crazy? Or do I look like Jessica Rabbit? I think I love this color. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, so what do you guys think? It's not that long. It's like a little longer than my real hair. Maybe like 3 or 4 inches, but it's not that bad. See? Cute. So tell me, what do you guys think? I could do like so much with this. I can do like those pretty braids. I'm gonna have to look up more tutorials on how to style because I would love to braid this, like those thick braids that the girls do. You know, for Amazon, this isn't pretty bad, you know? If you want to just go out and just change up your look. Oh my God. I'm glad I already have a face on, because I feel like without a face, I would look crazy.
Yeah, that works.
Mama. I think I'm just tingling it up. I think so. Ooh. Rapunzel, Rapunzel. Look how cute. I look like, what's that movie with the girl with the pig? Oh, this is kind of cute. Oh my God, I'm like a brand new person. It's no longer Mrs. Glass. It's Miss Throw That. This is cute. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little sus. I do love the color. Like I said, I just need more practice. YouTube is my bestie, so I'll definitely look at more videos on how to style, how to lay it down properly, how to properly melt it. And yeah, oh, it is hot though. I don't know how you guys do it. So this is what it's giving. Let's throw on some earrings. All right, I added some earrings. Ooh, I look so Latina. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, I think I love it. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know if you guys want me to try other hair extensions. This is a full wig. I can also try like clip-ins. I saw some clip-ins that actually have curly textured hair like my real hair. I think that might be a vibe too, to just give it some more va-voom. But for now, we're doing the Jessica Rabbit look. Ah! So cute. All right, my little freaks. Well, don't forget to subscribe. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. So you know what that means. $500 giveaway is closer than you guys understand. Make sure that you're subscribed here on my YouTube, Mrs. Glass, and across all of my social media platforms. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. And let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you, my little freaks. Bye.